Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
So let's quickly get this project. So in the Ontario project, if you like, I added under execution number 4. I added, I think, an assignee for that. So that they add a new time, right? New time is how I added that in that one. Sorry, what you say? New time, like I think I might have added that by clicking on the new time. Right. Let me open this. I think I entered it. So I entered. I think so. 3 service site, 2 service items. Okay. Okay. So once I enter this, then okay. Once you enter this, then if you have to build it, you have to go to the project. Also go back to the project. Yes. Let it pause. Transactions. New invoice. Okay. So those entries will be here. Yes, whatever I do enter, it will be there. Okay. So let's say I'm okay. In red is not coming because I'm not going to be able to see it. Might be you haven't taken the billing class. Have you taken the billing class or? Let me check. The sign is not coming. Okay, so you have to select the billing class also. Only then your unit price will come. Okay, billing class. The category, right? The category of the billing class is something. You have to bill it to your customer. Right? Billing to the customer. Yeah. It's not. It can happen. Resource. Okay, like say Ranjit. Might be a consultant in some project, but in some projects, he might be a project manager. So there will be different ways of project manager. There will be different rates for analysts for that. And then for the technical side, so you have to select the billing class. Depends on the billing class for you. So you have to enter the billing class. So that's why it is not showing there. Let me save. cancel this. Okay. It was Zapakje one. I think we have to do manually because we entered after the time tracking. So it is not. Possible to do it manually. So I have built it. Then in the project we will click on the recalculate financial data under the action tab. So there is our project handle, the actual cost and the revenue. I think it's clear now. Yeah, so the cost is what we entered the very first time as a time tracker in the time tracking. C cost is coming from labor cost resource. O from the labor. Labor which you have entered in the employee report. And revenue cost per hour is coming from the billing class. From the billing class, I see if you see that, let's say planning. Okay, so this unit cost is the cost. This unit price is the price on which this particular time entry will be billed. Oh, I see. If it is non-billable, then it will not be billed. Then it will not be billed. I think that makes sense. And the way you created the billing class was in the project record itself, or was it in the setup? Yeah, we created the billing class in setup. Accounting and billing classes. Billing class. Then there is a billing rate card also. Right, right. So what happened is you can create the billing class like whatever class you want to create. Yeah. Because there is not much other fields. Only billing class and description is there. But when you want to define the rates, you have to go to the setup accounting and billing rate cards. Billing rate cards. Currently, we are using the full billing rate card, but which I have created the new rate card. Yeah, it was not working somehow. Yeah. So we added the rate. Okay. So, okay. I'm going to transaction employees and that expensive. But for Ali, I am booking expense report. Um, oh, okay. So under this customer tag, I can tag the project. Customer number, okay. Not actually customer. We both will show customer also project also. So I will also show. Okay. So we will tag the project here. Billable. Yes, it is billable. Billable expenses. Billable expenses, okay. Billable expenses, okay. Now, if I go back to the project, go to reports. Transaction. Under transaction. Okay. Financial data. Now, as you can see, expenses also coming. Under the course. So we can build this. We can build this expense also. Oh, new invoice. Location. Reliable expenses. You can say it is coming. Yeah. If I did my same amount, 10 will be billed to the customer. Yeah, if you want to add any markup, okay, on this, like, right, okay, but most of the time, usually actually, okay, actual, right? Because if we add markup, then I think it attracts the tax liability depending on the compliances of that particular country. Okay, right? But if you are directly reversing, then you can avoid the tax. Okay, so I can raise the invoice for that also. So my invoice is created. I'll go back to the website. If I go to the financial, so your billing type is time and materials only. Yeah, so let's say if you created a billing type like fixed bid, and my son, that we can create some. Maybe other. Like other invoicing, also other charges which we can automatically create. Like for example, we can automatically create the invoices from there, but since your billing type is time and materials only, yeah, so your like Penda will come only related to course which and with the estimate. So estimated revenue. Okay, estimated revenue. So there will be no other billing than time and materials in this project. Usually it is time and materials for the project, right? No, it's like you get all the options there. Okay, if I added the word sector, under the financials, okay, we can't change now. Let me open a new project list. Relationship, project new. If you want to do some testing, you can continue on this only. I am just creating a project, okay. We can set the preferences there, like let's pay all the resources. Financial. Now under billing type, we get the fixed bid interval, fixed bid milestone, fixed time and materials. Okay, yeah, so all these three have as the different properties. Always remember, if you are not explaining something, you can go to this field link and you can read in the field, help you. It will help you if you like. Get such somewhere, then yeah, you can click on the help also, right? So let's say I am creating a charge base. Now, once I save that project, now after saving the project, when I will go to financial, you can see my charges are coming there. Then it's charges, yeah. So first we will create the rules. Then we will run the charges. There is not that much enough time to do that, but just giving you some overview. Let's say I create a new fixed date rule or new milestone rule. New rule I have created. create a new milestone ruler. Okay, first I have to create a milestone, then I can create a milestone rule. Okay, that on the completion on that particular milestone, okay, I can. I can build this particular charge, okay. So what you can do? We will go to schedule. Let's create a new milestone. Okay. Milestone is project kickoff. Project kickoff. This is my milestone. Date, let's say 5. Yes, April. Okay, then date is same or month. So we will save that. Now I will go back to my charge. Let's say I am creating a milestone rule that like the first on that milestone, right? Project kickoff. Billing. For example, like we have a terms with the customer that on the project kickoff, we will bill some amount. Okay. Yeah. Let's say we are billing $50 for the project kickoff. And we will save financial. As you can see, this rule is coming here. Okay, yeah, okay. No. We have to generate the charges. Okay, but we will not generate charges until we complete that milestone. Okay, right. So first of all, we will go to schedule. Let's open this milestone. So status is not started. Okay, if I like only not started status, only I generate the charges, it will show an error. Okay, it will not. Okay. So first complete the status of the milestone and then charge. Yeah. Then go to financial go to the generate charges. Yeah. So actual charges are not being created. I saved my time to finish it for a minute. Mem reload project. Yeah. Okay, invalid billing item reference fee. Okay. So it is saying that the item which we get is invalid, the item key. Okay, basically the item which we have used is invalid, the demo item. We can tag the other item. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.